Good afternoon, all fourth year ECE students. So this semester, myself, Raghava Raju. This semester, I would like to commit with television engineering. Simple theory subject. Today, inauguration for 4-1 JNTUK 4-1 online classwork for 4th ECE Chebrolu Engineering College. Today, inauguration and introduction about overview of brief idea about television engineering. So before presenting the introduction about television engineering, rules for online class. All registered candidates are mandatory present in online class. 75% online class attendance required to get fourth year fee reimbursement by government. Try to utilize online e-content resources. While class is going, don't go away from your device by putting your video off. So this is for knowledge sharing, while because we are all living in pandemic, corona COVID pandemic situation. So try to utilize this tomorrow, today onwards syllabus regarding our 4-1 ECE. So tomorrow onwards for television engineering, those who are entering after 5 minutes, so grace period to admit. So television engineering, so regularly well-known, free, comfortable title, television engineering. So today just welcome note by television engineering, inauguration of online class television engineering. Similarly, brief idea about introduce this television engineering in our 4-1 online class mode. So only 33 up to now presenting. So try to intimate in your groups. So to get reimbursement, 75% attendance required for all. So in TV engineering, the basic idea is simple: to understand the configuration, to understand to understand the designing and configurations for TV engineering. So the main objective of this TV engineering is how to analyze or how to understand the design and theoretical aspects of regular TV. So I think all in our all regular houses we have TV. So in this corona pandemic situation, without a television, I think there is no scope for regular human life. So TV plays similarly gadgets like mobile phones, etc. In normal, regular, real life in our household, TV is one of the primary electronic gadget entertainmenting device for our regular man living system. In our human based living system, TV is one of the primary entertainmenting minimum gadget for a majority of houses past decade until now. So do that for getting easy qualification, for getting easy credits to make simple. We have television engineering in our regular curriculum. So in this curriculum, this television engineering chosen by higher authorities as elective. So that's why we have now to understand the content, e-content on so understanding the e-content on this one. So basically for TV engineering, what we have looking from outside is normal TV screen. For regular cable, we have setup box inside, or for DTH connections, dish TV connections, we have DTH antenna at the top of building or somewhere, etc. So to understand that situation, nowadays we have TV option in our all mobile TV mobile gadgets by making various different apps, Geo TV, etc. So for that understanding criteria, we have this recording of this TV. So to meet the major content, to meet that major content, we have the basic idea how to launch this TV. So what are the methodologies? What are the methodologies? Basically, we have in TV designing. So that is main objective for TV. So generally the TV makes a crucial platform for all individual real-time systems. So that's why they in syllabus they mentioned introduction for TV engineering. So what are the various schemes available in TV? So I think all of you visible this syllabus on your screens, and with my audio. So it is one of the video that is a conferencing class. So it is an example for latest extended top-end application for basic TV. So in our TV nowadays we have smart TVs. Various multiple operations are involved in TV, like broadcasting, streaming, Netflix, likewise, various multiple operations regularly involved in normal lifestyle. So this basic introduction for TV engineering. So as you know that our journey, myself with you, our journey starts from 3-1 antenna wave propagation. In that antenna wave propagation, we have familiar words transmitter antenna and receiver antenna. Similarly, TV in our house, so therefore it is receiving station, receiver. Transmitter is somewhere at far away from our receiver. So TV transmitter and receivers. So basically, the what are the involvement? So what are the involvement of your TV transmitters and receivers? So this is the TV transmitters, TV receivers. So next, what is the synchronization? So this is also a familiar word in our engineering syllabus, synchronization. So without synchronization, we have no reception of audio and video signals in TV syllabus, regular TV. So this synchronization is required for every TV operation. It is a synchronization. Next, we have television picture. So what is meant by television pictures are nothing but we have in front in olden TVs we have CRT model TVs. Later, screen dimensions are compressed. Slim TVs. After CRT, we have slim CRT. Nowadays, we have LEDs, LCDs in regular TV showrooms. So that the television pictures. So these television pictures have fundamental basic ideas about geometric form and aspect ratio. So these are two definitions in our TV syllabus. So image continuity. So image continuity is one of the methodology. Image continuity equal to phenomena, or simply call it as principle. Image continuity. It is a principle followed in television engineering. Interlaced scanning. So it is also one of the operation performed in TV raster screens. Resolution. So you have a very popular screen, mobile screen resolutions, pixel resolutions, TV raster screen resolutions, like this. Composite video signal. So this is also composite video signal is one of the, this is part one. So this is up to here, one part. Now up to here, this is another part. So this is chapter number 2. And this is a chapter number 1. So this is first part in our basic TV, that is in our textbook we have chapter number 1. So that is a TV transmitters, TV receivers, synchronization, TV pictures, geometric form, likewise. And this is the geometric form. So what is this geometric form? This geometric form and aspect ratio and image continuity, interlaced scanning, picture resolutions. So all are these important criteria. And a composite video signal. So composite video signal is the second chapter in our textbook Gulati. So that is horizontal, vertical synchronization, scanning, sequence, color, signal generation, and encoding. So what is meant by composite video signal? Composite video signal equal to combination of horizontal and vertical modes. Simple composite video signal. So while you are taking you have familiar knowledge about horizontal lines and vertical lines. Throughout our throughout our human life, all frames are in horizontal mode. Why? Because then only our eye has very good reception for video. So as per our human eye, so our human eye has able to capture horizontal synchronization. Scanning is a very popular task in TV engineering. Scanning sequence. So that is half of our color video signals. Color signal generation and encoding. Remember in past when we are in childhood, we have black and white. All majority of TV has black and white picture, but nowadays 100% TVs has no black and white TV in TV showrooms. Only color screens with LCD or LED panels. So color signal generation. How to generate this color signal from transmitting station? Remember, this is from transmitting side. Color signal generation and encoding. In that one, what are the main parts? Perception of brightness, colors. So we are having this brightness, colors. Additive color mixing. What is the meaning of this additive color mixing? Video signals for colors. What are the various colors available in video signals? You know the brightness, color, contrast, all are available in our TV remote controller. All keys available in our TV remote settings, TV settings. So luminance, color difference signals. So this is also to bring new colors. Why? Because RGB, red, green, blue are primary colors in TV engineering. To get additive colors, so that is colors difference signals. So this color difference signals, color signal and difference signals. How to get luminance R minus Y, G minus Y, B minus Y. Generally, luminance signal can be represented by capital letter Y. Capital letter Y. So this is the luminance signal. So this is the luminance signal. Color difference signal R minus Y, B minus Y, and G minus Y. So clear? So this R minus Y, this is the color difference signal. R minus Y and B minus Y. Clear? and G minus Y. These are called color difference signal. Okay. So out of this, this R minus phi and G minus phi all are linked by additive mixing of Y. Okay. So this additive mixing of phi consisting of this one B minus Y and G minus Y. This is called color difference signals. This R minus Y, B minus Y, G minus Y. వీటన్నిటిని కూడా మనం కలర్ డిఫరెన్స్ సిగ్నల్స్ గా మనం చేసుకుంటాం. This is color difference signals. Next, encoding of color difference signals, formation of chroma signal. Chroma means color. This is very chroma means color. So formation of chrominance signal equal to simple color. So formation of this chrominance signal equal to simple color, chroma signal. So this is somewhat of circuitry. This is the PAL encoder. This is somewhat of circuitry PAL encoder. This is very important. PAL encoder is very important in this TV analysis. That is unit number 2. 2 chapters in R.R. Gulati textbook. So we have primary textbook here. So this one R.R. Gulati. Very important textbook. So modern television practice by R.R. Gulati. So whole 6 units are available in this one. So 6 units, single textbook, very smart shortcuts available for your this one. R.R. Gulati, modern television practice. R.R. Gulati. So now coming from second chapter. Tomorrow onwards, only 5-minute late period, maximum less than 10-minute, 5 to 6 minutes only for latecomers. Quickly join tomorrow onwards within 5 minutes. So otherwise your roll number will be absent tomorrow onwards. Will not get the attendance after 6th minute tomorrow for TV engineering slot. So this is a unit number 2, TV signal transmission and propagation. So what is the importance of this? Is very fundamental, somewhat of analog communication mixing unit. In this unit 2, how to transmit the signal, picture signal. So what are the various types of modulations, positive modulation, negative modulation. So in our analog communication, we have vesicle sideband topic at there. We study at there, we found application of vesicle sideband modulation is television engineering. So that is simple application of VSB transmission comes again here as TV signal transmission and propagation. So for generally television engineering require both So this picture and signal transmissions. So that picture and signals we are having. So picture signal transmissions, we have both positive and negative. Similarly, sound signal transmission. Television engineering require both transmission of sound and video. So that's why sound and audio, video both are required for TV transmission. So in second unit, we are able to watch the circuitry for sound signal transmission. The standard channel. What is the standard bandwidth channels for this television broadcasting? Transmitter and a receiver again. What are the various TV broadcast channels? Those are available in TV transmission. So monochrome TV receivers. So what are the monochrome TV receivers? So we are having RF tuner. So likewise, so this is all historical evaluation for TV engineering. We are going to study as per credits in our. So don't think beyond this syllabus. Why this is just to know what is the engineering content behind TV construction. So that is not, and this paper is not be for any gate examinations or any 1 or 2 bits for any competitive ECA core jobs. 1 or 2 bits comes from TV engineering. So don't bother about the in-depth. Don't bother about the uh, how to solve this TV, etc. Like so, ignore those doubts. Think in broad way. So Paul-D color receiver. So we are having some transmitters, receivers are explained in this unit number 2. So in unit number 2, we are familiar about monochrome, mono single chrome color, black and white TV receivers, tuner circuit, IF subsystem block diagram, video amplifier stage, sound section diagram, synchronous separation, and processing. So deflection circuits, etc. Secondary color receivers. So this is also very chroma. Latecomers display your visibility rename by your roll numbers. Parameshwari roll number, make your presence with your roll numbers. So unit number 3, so Vision IF subsystem. So Vision IF subsystem, so you are having this AGC noise cancellation. So in Vision IF system, we are able to catch the internal behavior of AGC controller, noise cancellation circuitries, video and inter-carrier sound signal detection, color receivers, IF subsystems, receiver sound systems. So the like both audio and videos, Vision IF intermediate frequency subsystems. For each unit, so I think in this week you are able to thoroughly watch this syllabus first. So what are the terms, what are the terminologies, topics involved in this syllabus. Later you proceed to do read the textbook soft copy. So this is in this corona pandemic situations. Try to download all textbooks from resources, e-contents from Google. Better to understand all the topics after completion of online classes by your own. Then only we are able to get good credits while in semester one. So for each unit, we have two big chapters separately. So that is main drawback with the syllabus. For each unit, you have two big chapters. Chapters are big, but inside the contents, writing, understanding, analyzing, presentations are very simple in the end paper of TV engineering. So that's why a selection of TV is a very excellent option for your guys. So this Vision IF subsystem, third unit Vision IF subsystem. So in Vision IF subsystem, so this automatic AGC. So AGC automatic gain controller, noise cancellations, video and intercarrier, sound carrier signal detections. So all are be available in that particular criteria. Similarly, color receivers. So in the color receivers also in IF subsystem, receiver sound system. So in receiver sound system, so this FM detection is available. FM detection, FM sound detectors, typical applications, TV receiver tuners, tuner operations, VHF, IHF. So all are very popular blocks in TV broadcasting, Vision IF subsystem. So in color signal decoding, PAL decoder. So you are having PAL D decoder, chroma signal amplifiers, separation of U and V signals. So comes unit number 4, mid number 1 completed. So mid number 1 up to 3 units in this semester. In this semester, we have first mid for unit number 1, 2, 3. So first 3 unit cumulatively in unit mid number 1. So as per mid number 1, in our academic calendars, we have mid number 1 date also. So plan recording, guys, plan recording to attempt mid number 1 by self-learning mode. So come into mid number 2 criteria, mid number 2, unit number 4, unit number 5, unit number 6. Cumulatively, we are able to write mid number 2. So mid number 2 is very easy. So unit number 4, which is HD TV, all HD syllabus, analog to digital TV, very big task, big syllabus for unit number 2. So analog and digital TV, HD involvement, so broadcasting engineering technology, HD TV information, okay, digital TV standards. What is the journey behind this HD TV? You are able to watch HD TV in unit number 1, 4. very crucial, important for those who are interested to perform post graduation or PhD in digital signal processing or signal processing, signal systems, compression, wireless, etc. This is very fundamental thought. So compression techniques, what is the compression, what is the need for compression, methodology for compression, need for compression, what is the bigger task behind this compression, so you are able to learn this compression. So what is the journey compression to? So moving picture expert group MPEG 2, MPEG 4, H264, motions. So now you are having JPEG, so you are having JPEG also. So joint pictures expert group, very popular for your compression techniques. So nowadays all these compressions are very huge crowd, very huge uh, compression research going on. So those very popular, very fundamental idea about these compressions. Students very familiar, thoroughly improved on these compressions, how to make these compressions. So DTV transmitter and receivers, DTV transmitters, digital TV. You are having terrestrial TV, digital TV, HD TV. So today only basic building idea about syllabus regarding TV. Next class onwards, we are able to enter into the original explanation for each, in-depth explanation for your TV. So unit number 4, mid number 2, DTV transmitter and receivers. So in this syllabus, you are familiar about all basic ideas about DTV. So you are able to catch this digital TV. Students, tomorrow only for late commerce, only allowable time up to 5 minutes. So try to utilize online e-content facility providing by our authority. Don't misuse this e-content facility. Try to attend the class within 5 minutes after link opened. So HDTV unit number 4, HDTV, DTV standards. So what are the basic idea about all this type will be in unit number so unit number 6, emerging technology and standards. So those who are having క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఒకళ్ళని అన్మ్యూట్ చేయబడుతుంది. So on this e-content already this session is under in recording. So if you are having any doubt, try to express after unmuting you. So emerging technology and standards. So this is very important technology and standards. So this technology and standards development presentation will be able to make the prior think. So technology and standards development. So what is the technology and what are the various this one? Technology and standards development presentation. So delivery distributions. So MPEG, metadata, enhanced, interactive, personalized, virtual product placement, multi-platform, emergent select system. So I guess this is the brief idea. What is why we are in TV engineering? Why we are now in to learn TV engineering? So what are the basic ideas? Thoroughly read the syllabus in JNTUK fast updates. Syllabus available for you. So try to read all terms available in this syllabus. And in your free time, try to found the soft copy for modern television practice RR Gulati for your make this one. So this session is under recording. So I am unmuting one student randomly. So try to share your experience for this online class. So randomly I am unmuting. So I will select 436. 436. Four 36. Four 36. Unmute yourself.
చెప్పండి సార్.
Hi 436. Welcome to online TV engineering.
Yes sir, thank you.
How is your experience for this e-content? This session is under recording.
Yes sir, okay sir. Session is very nice sir.
Very good, very good. Are you attending throughout the session?
Yes sir.
Very good, very good. I will unmute one more gold student. Balabharati.
Hi sir, good afternoon.
Very good afternoon, Balabharati. Ela unnavu corona holidays?
Yeah sir, I'm fine.
Very good, very good. How is this session?
Today's session is very nice sir.
Very good, very
As
good.
you didn't start the topic, tomorrow I'll ask from doubts.
Come on, carry on.
Thank you sir.
Very good, very good.